Morning children, I hope you enjoyed yesterday's Orange Day celebration. Our today's subject is reading and GK. So let's start with some warm-up exercise. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is today's date? Today is 19 August 2020. And what is our subject? GK. And our topic is food that gives energy. Children, in lesson number 1 of GK, what did we learn? We learned about the sources of food. What are the two main sources of food? We get food from plants and animals. We get vegetables, cereals, pulses, fruit, etc. from plants. Whereas dairy product, among which meat and fish, is obtained from animals. Now our lesson number 2 in GK is about food that give us energy. Food is important to all of us. Why? Because food give us energy to grow and to do work. There are many types of food. Some of them are good for us and keeps us healthy, while others may not be good for our health. Children, do you like burger, pizza, cold drinks, etc.? Yes, but do you know they are unhealthy food? They are not good for us. Whereas food like fresh vegetables, fruits, dairy products, cereals, pulses and meat are healthy food. They are good for us. Hence, we should eat more and more healthy food, and we should try to avoid eating unhealthy food as much as we can. Now we will see some question answer. Question number 1. Why do we need food? Why do we need food? The answer is to live. Why do we need food? To live. Number 2. Name 4 food items which have fats. First, oil. Next, ghee. Then, butter. And cheese. Question number 3. What do we need to work and play? What do we need, children? We need energy. What do we need? Energy. Question number 4. What do you eat daily? What do you eat daily? We eat food. What we eat? We eat food. Number 5. Why do we need energy? Why do we need energy? To walk and play. Why do we need energy, children? To walk and play. Question number 6. Which food do you like to eat? I like fresh vegetables. You write here any kind of food which you like. Question number 1. Why do we need food? And answer is to live. Question number 2. Name 4 food items which have fats. And answer is oil, ghee, butter, cheese. Question number 3. What do we need to work and play? What do we need, children? We need energy to work and play. Question number 4. What do you eat daily? What do you eat daily? We eat food. Question number 5. Why do we need energy? Why do we need energy, children? To work and play. Question number 6. Which food do you like to eat? I like to eat fresh vegetable. Those who don't have the GK book, please jot down this question answer in another notebook. Parents, in this space, please help the children to stick the pictures of healthy food. Else you can draw the food for them and ask them to color it. Those who don't have GK book, use chart paper to stick or draw the healthy food. We will do reading. In reading book, page number 10. Again, parents, please put the date 19 August. Now we will start to read. I go, I go, bag, I bag, I go, rag, I rag, I go, tag, I tag, I go, bag, I bag, X, X, tax, X, wax, am, am, dam, am, dam, am, jam, am, jam, am, ram, am, ram, am, yam, am, yam, ab, ab, cab, ab, cab, ab, dab, ab, dab. On page number 11, again put the date 19 August. Now start to read. A cab is by the dam. A cab is by the dam. A man is in the cab. A man is in the cab. A bag is on the cab. A bag is on the cab. The bag has a tag. The bag has a tag. A ram is by the cab. A ram is by the cab. The ram has yam. The ram has yam. Now we will do our daily revision. Rabbit, rabbit, 1, 2, 3. Will you come and play with me? Camels, camels, 4, 5, 6. Why do you have a hump like this? Monkeys, monkeys, 7, 8, 9. Will you teach me how to climb? When I counted up to 10, the elephant says, now start again. Shape, shapes. Shape, shapes everywhere. Shape, shapes everywhere. Shape, shapes everywhere. Shapes are very useful. Handkerchiefs are square, square, square. Tabletops are rectangle. Rooftops are triangle. And the wheel of the bus are circle. Now repeat after me, children. Shape, shapes everywhere. Shape, shapes everywhere. Shape, shapes everywhere. Shapes are very useful. Handkerchiefs are square, square, square. Tabletops are rectangle. Rooftops are triangle. And the wheels of the bus are circle. It rains heavily in rainy season. Students, you can see heavy rains on board. We use umbrellas, raincoats and gumboots. We sail paper boats. We like to eat corn and hot pakoras in rainy season. So children, what did we learn today? We learned a new chapter in GK. We saw food which give us energy. We also did question answer and activity for the same. Then we did reading, right? I hope you understood today's lecture. Children, please revise the question answer which we learned in today's lecture. Also revise the reading part which we did today. Parents, please help the children to revise the question answer and also the reading which we did in the today's lecture. So children, we will meet in next lecture. Stay home, stay safe. Bye-bye.